All right, guys, we got another unboxing. This one's coming all the way from Alaska. Brr. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews, some unboxings and unbaggings. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures and a brief description to the email address below. I take a look at it for a few weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video. So check that out if you haven't. We're having a great time with that. I think it's a great resource for all bearded guys or guys who want to grow out their beards. But today we've got an unboxing from Anointed AK Beard Company, which is out of Alaska. I was watching Faithfully Bearded. Tyson was doing a live stream with the newest ambassador for Anointed AK, named Samuel. And they've got some summer scents that they're releasing. And Samuel actually collaborated on one of them. So I won that one, and then Samuel saw that I was a reviewer and had my YouTube channel and that kind of stuff, and he talked to the folks over at Anointed AK, and I think they sent me some other stuff as well. Looks like there may be 3 oils in here, but we're going to take a look at the little packages. Look at them. It's already smelling good. Something is about to give it away. So these are wrapped up very well. By the way, shipping was really fast on this. It's like, I think they shipped it on Monday and this is Thursday, and it came all the way from Alaska to North Carolina. So if you haven't checked out Anointed AK, they've got tons and tons and tons of scents. Whoever's in charge over there is kind of, it's got to be like a master of scent stuff and just kind of getting in the lab and being like a mad scientist. Says, Brian, congrats on the win. Threw in a couple of extras. Hope you enjoy. I will. So thank you so much for that. I think that's Gary is what it looks like it says on that. Some little stickers, those kind of things. A couple other little stickers in there. So we'll add them to my collection. Still got to figure out something to do with these things. But anyway, let's take a look at the 3 oils. They've got a whole new summer series coming out, so my guess is these are probably all from that. But we're going to take a look and take a smell. So the first one's called Gunslinger 1 ounce oil. Always have great labels, kind of cartoonish, lots of bright colors, that kind of stuff, and different kind of colors on the droppers, different colors on the bottles, kind of depends on what's going on. So let me give this a smell. I don't remember what the profile is on it, so let's see if we can figure it out. I smell a little peach. A little something else. I think this one might be peach, peach sweet tea maybe. I don't know. Put a couple drops in. Looks like like the medium oil. Looks like medium right down the middle. That's a nice smell. That's not too overpowering. That's nice. Let me see what the scent profile is. Does it say? Made with organic ingredients, cold pressed and handcrafted in Eagle River, Alaska. 20% of all proceeds donated to charity. That's cool. Special edition oil blend. Blah, blah, blah. Ingredients. A certified organic blend of golden jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, therapeutic grade essential oils, and fragrance oils. Did we just become best friends? That's what it says anyway. Let me check the profile here on that one. The Gunslinger. It says it's out of stock on the website. I don't know if they've sold out already or what. Anyway, this one is smooth, sweet cream base. Notes of blood orange and gunpowder kick to balance it out. I missed it, guys. I was all off on that one. But I do smell the creaminess to it. So a sweet cream base. And that's what it is. I think sometimes that sweet cream base, you kind of always put an orange kind of spin on that. But that, once again, that was sweet cream base, notes of blood orange. Oh, I did have the orange. But I think I said peach earlier. And gunpowder. I don't really know how they do the gunpowder part to that. But it's Alaska. I'm sure there's lots of guns up there in Alaska. This is the one that I won initially. This was the bibliophile. Notice the, it looks like a picture of a bookcase. So bibliophile. So this one is supposed to be oud and leather, would smell like old books in a library, that kind of thing. So to me, I think it's something Matt from No BS would like. He always likes the oud scents. Yeah, that one's nice as well. I'm not a huge fan of oud scents. Like some people just go nuts over it. Sometimes kind of hit or miss for me on some I've tried. Yeah, but I like that one. The leather part of that, it does smell like old books, an old bookcase, smelling of like the binding on it and stuff. So that one's nice. It's not overpowering in your face, and neither was the other one. So these seem to be really nice scents. We'll see how long they last. I'll do a follow-up video on them. They do have balms. They do have mustache wax. They just came out with, I should have asked for the mustache wax, since I'm kind of specializing in that these days. Not every reviewer does mustache wax, and not every company offers a good one. This one is lights out. So my guess is it's probably some sort of lavender, amber, vanilla. We'll see. It smells like lavender. Let me look up that one profile for you guys. Let's see if that's one of their new summer scents as well. I think it is. Lights out. Yep. By the way, these go for $18 normally, unless they're running some kind of deal, and a lot of times they are. So make sure you always follow these companies on Instagram. A smooth lavender base, delicately layered with notes of bergamot and raspberry musk. So all kinds of different scent profiles going on. Now these three, none of them smell alike. Sometimes you'll get different scents from the same company, and they'll all have kind of the same notes to it, but kind of just slightly differ from each other. These smell totally different from each other. So excited to try these out. Thank you to Samuel for doing the giveaway there with Tyson from Faithfully Bearded. And thank you to, I think it's Gary from, might not be Gary. I can't read the signature there, but the gentleman over at Anointed AK. Thank you for sending those out to me, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.